walk and I wanna dance in circles. Don't wanna be tired, I just wanna be free. There's no time for sleeping, I don't wanna be a part of that crowd. I wanna sift through the ashes of what used to be me. I'm gonna talk to the birds, I'm gonna fly through the air. I'm gonna fall in love with the first woman I see. 'Cause it's written in the stars tonight, I can see everything will be alright. Yeah, it says it on the moon tonight, I can see everything will be alright. Well, you seem kinda rare, like some kind of prototype that hasn't been considered for mass production yet. I could tell you like good music just by the way you dress, but I think you could be some kind of version of someone I should forget. So get along, little girl, don't let the front door hit you where the good Lord split you. Don't do nothing I'd expect, 'cause it's written in the stars tonight, I can see everything be alright. Yeah, it says it on the moon tonight, I can see everything be alright. Off to the races where all these people's faces look like specks of dust scattered through the silhouette of the way things were when we were young and stupid, when you were still a lady and I was still a bet that you took. Yeah, yeah, lay down your money. Well, thank you kindly, honey, you're not out of debt yet. 'Cause it's written